Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost your account or your posts on Instagram. And of course, first of all, you'll need the Instagram application on your phone. You can just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do just go to Instagram, then sign in to create an account. If you do have an account, all you need to do just go and click at log in. Then let's get straight to Instagram. So as we said, we want to boost a post on Instagram. All you need to do, just go to your profile. As you can see, on the bottom right corner, there is an icon which is your photo of profile. Just click on that. And let's choose a post that we want to promote or to boost. First of all, if you don't have a post, all you need to do, just click on the plus button on the top right corner and add a post, reel or story or whatever you want. If you don't have a post. If you do have a post, all you need to do, just go and click, for example, add the post you want to promote or to boost. Then all you need to do, just click on the boost post. If you click on that, let it just reload a bit. As you can see here, they will ask you what option you want exactly. So you want more profile visits, or you want more websites visits, or you want more messages. So let's just, for example, choose the first option, then click on next. Then you should select target audience. You can just select automatic or create your own, or at a category that you want to see this post exactly. After you choose whatever you want, just click on next, and you will here know the budget of your boosting. Then let's say, for example, you want the less, you can just pay $1,000 per day, and you will have this amount of viewers on your profile. You can do whatever you want on how many days you want. Let's say, for example, I want the cheapest thing. I'll just do $1 daily and like for 30 days. This will just take me $30 over 30 days, and maybe from 2,900 to 7,700 people could reach my account. Then all you need to do, just click on next, review whatever you done here, and all you need to do, just click on payment, add your card to pay, and then all you need to do, just click on boost post. So that's how you boost posts on Instagram. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.